Hey there! Are you looking for a quick and easy way to make some extra cash? Well, you're in luck. Want to earn $35 in just 15 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. It's not a gimmick or a scam. It's a simple and straightforward way to boost your finances. Imagine getting $35 just for a few minutes of your time. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With Neo Financial, you can get an instant $35 just by opening a bank account using the special link below. It's a seamless process that takes no time at all. Neo Financial is your new go-to banking app with no monthly fees, high-interest savings, and easy account management. It's designed to make your financial life simpler and more rewarding. It takes only 15 minutes to set up your account, and you'll be rewarded with $35 instantly. Think about what you could do with that extra cash. Whether you're saving for your next big purchase, planning a trip, or just want a better banking experience, Neo Financial has got you covered. Their app is user-friendly and packed with features that make managing your money a breeze. So what are you waiting for? This is a limited-time offer that you don't want to miss out on. Click the link in the description or comments, open your Neo Financial account, and grab your $35 today. It's that simple. No hidden fees, no complicated steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who'd love a little extra cash. Spread the word and help others benefit from this amazing offer. Thanks for watching, and happy banking with Neo Financial. Remember, a better financial future is just a few clicks away. Take advantage of this opportunity now and enjoy the perks of modern banking.